and that's this, and that's this. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the second episode of Sharing is Caring. My name, for those who know and don't know, is Sharon Varghese. I'm a singer, musician, actor from Mumbai. I'm also one fourth of India's first and only boy band, A Band of Boys. This is a series where I share some of the best things that I've learned from the world, some recipes, some skills, some techniques, some music, of course, and some rights and wrongs in the world. And you get to share some comments and some messages and this episode and share me some love and share me some joy. And I personally believe that knowledge should be shared a lot, and my name is Sharing, therefore, sharing is caring. Today's episode, I have decided to speak about a really funny but near dangerous experience which happened with me some time back, which is about online fraud, where I got almost scammed by the Facebook monetization clickbait that has been rampant of late amongst all social media influencers, celebrities, actors, etc. Joining me on this episode is this wonderful, gracious lady who also went through a similar experience, not in terms of the clickbait Facebook monetization bit, but in terms of her Instagram channel being knocked off, and she went through a lot of angst. So I thought it would be fun to kind of get her on board and get her experience, how it was to be on the other side, and how she got her whole channel back in order. So, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like you to please put your hands together and welcome our guest, this beautiful Bollywood come indie singer who has won a lot of coveted awards from the industry and is this Kashmir ki Kali from Kashmir, of course. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Vibha Saraf. कर, 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 कर.
Never heard that Kashmir ki Kali phrase before, Sharon. So original.
देख बॉम्बे में तीन सिंगर्स है. जब क्लिंटन सेरेजो ने पूछा नीड अ कश्मीरी सिंगर, सबने क्या बोला? विभा सरफ,
Sharon
विभा सरफ,
Varghese.
विभा सरफ, शेरन वर्गीस, कश्मीर. बाप रे बाप, मुझसे पंजाबी नहीं गाया जाता ढंग का. You sing कश्मीर.
No, you can con a lot, so let's not get there right now.
I'm calling. You find me a call artist. क्या बात कर रही हो? कौन
Con. C-O-N.
You find me a con artist? हे भगवान.
No, I never said artist.
That
Okay, let's talk about that
I
later.
can
We'll
con
make
a
it
lot of
artist.
people. Acha, I got conned. I almost got conned. So, Vibha, this whole episode is right now going live on your Facebook page, on my Facebook page, on Harman Professional Solutions Facebook page, on a Bandu Boys page, and also on a very hack mode, it is going on my Instagram channel. So, may I please request you? I know you got a lot of followers on Instagram. So, may I please request you to, as and when possible, dig in into Instagram. ये बात.
Where
Okay,
do I have to go?
so,
Tell me.
see, I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to go, okay, but if you can go, because you're doing this from your phone, so I don't know if you'll be able, or you
I
can,
have my
ha.
desktop, so
So
I'm
go to
using.
your desktop and go to my Instagram story, all right, and there you
Yeah.
can latch in, and there you can engage your fans on Instagram. Cool.
You're just popping on live. That's about it.
उतना ही आ रहा है मेरे यहाँ पे तो मतलब चालू हो गया. That's what I said. It's a hack, so I don't think it'll 100% work. But see if you're able to go into it. मिल गया?
I can see myself there. How
हाँ
did
तो
that
वही तो
happen?
बोल रहा हूँ. ये जो पूरा शो हो रहा है, that show is what I'm screen grabbing and I'm putting it out onto the story. So now see on that comments, okay, now here is where you can engage the fans and I can kind of like toss into all the people who are there on our show, which is quite a bit. Okay, so give me a bit while I kind of go to my page and engage with our fans before we dive into the topic. And let's see who's here right now. Rubina Patel, Vaishu, Rubina Gulrez, welcome. Kshitij, Dhruvi, welcome. As I said to all of you guys, this is an experience where I almost got conned into an online fraud by a scammer, and the way I got involved into it is something which will make sense to everybody who's in the same league as me or like as a peer from the industry, because this is something that we're all hoping to kind of get on board with. And I don't know how to. So yeah, so it's a lot of pages that I'm opening right now because I've got Vibhasarav's profile, which is a registered profile, and that's it. Use Yellow Duck Sharon Bhaiya. It is perfect for Insta. Shita, I'll tell you, Yellow Duck doesn't work in some cases, and in some cases it just keeps going in an infinite loop. So that's it. Okay. So Vibhaji, first tell us about your experience where you had to kind of live through this stonewall period for about 2 months, or I mean 1 month, I think 1 week, 3 weeks. How long was it when your whole Instagram channel got
Yeah,
knocked off?
the voice is breaking a bit though, but I think you said a month. Is that right?
Yeah. So what happened there? Why did your channel get knocked off and how did it come back?
So I think a year and a half ago, I put up a post on Facebook about me doing like a normal, like a sitting in a home space with a friend, obviously not monetizing, doing a cover of a Jagjit Singh song. Maybe it was for about 2 minutes or even under 2 minutes, something like that. And it won a lot of lovely comments from fellow musicians, non-musicians, friends, and all of that. And suddenly, I also posted on Instagram consecutively, and then suddenly I see that my account is okay. Like it just does. I can't access it anymore. And when I tried to dig deep, then in my spam folder
Hmm.
of my Gmail,
Hmm.
I had to dig because it doesn't even reach my inbox straight up. So, by the way, Instagram notifications of any sort reach your spam folder, not even like your main Gmail folder.
Huh.
So I saw that it just said that you have been there has been copyright infringement, and we are notifying you, and this is our first warning.
Okay.
And there was
Okay.
nothing after that. The next message from them just said ta 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 ta, you're not there. And I'm like, la 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 la, where do I go? Because
Yeah.
I'm like, अच्छा यार 6 साल की मेहनत है, धीरे धीरे
Ah.
you have jotted,
Correct.
धीरे धीरे ऑर्गेनिकली फोक म्यूजिक में एक एक गाना गा के या कुछ भी करके कैसे करके कुछ 6,000 फॉलोअर्स, मतलब बोर बहुत मुश्किल से लाए थे. You know how difficult it is
True.
to stop yourself from getting paid followers,
Yeah.
that's the easiest way to reach. I won't even say doing mashakkat for doing the right kind of music, but more so like just being on your path. And I was like, okay, एक second में मेरी पूरी मेहनत गायब हो गई. Okay, sorry, I mean I don't want to interrupt, but I just want to continue with my story flow. And then I'm suddenly like, okay, who are my stakeholders here? Where do I go? Who do I complain to? Do I go to singers committee? Do I go to my own self in the front of a mirror? Do I go to composers individually? Who I go to Facebook? Do I go to Instagram? Because beautifully, if you go to Facebook or Instagram and you try to raise something, it'll be a beautiful mail that you have to reply to, and it'll be like a no reply mail. So you're like Jackeshwari, because you're like, where do you go? You know, nowhere to go, but you're locked. And I was just thinking about 200,000 influencers and people who have created their account with so much mehnat and are monetizing it, mind you.
Hmm.
So you're thinking, how are they going to deal with something like that? Because anybody, but what I'm saying is, I was just remembering Black Mirror, and I was thinking that everything is so virtually inaccessible as much as it is accessible. And therefore understanding कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, आप lock हो गए. So for a very long time I was dealing with that, and I think I have been told that I was the prime flagship bearer of this movement of getting locked. But I am glad that I had that experience, because I could at least share my experience and help people shorten their time of being locked, if in any way that was possible.
Awesome. So my experience was not is not very close to nothing close to what you went through, because you actually went through it. Okay, but like I almost landed into a soup where some hack was trying to get into my whole Facebook page, and then they were trying to like take control over the business page of my channel. All right. So what I mean, so we, as rightfully as you said, you take about 5 to 6 years to kind of build this entire channel. You build your repertoire, one-on-one conversations with people, messages, texts, and you're commenting and you're doing everything to kind of build this whole thing. We are at such a position in society where we're artists. Okay, what we need to do is kind of document what we do, which is singing, and doing something with the art form as such, and then kind of making painstakingly making it beautiful and making it appealing to everybody in the first 3 frames. ये सब मेहनत करने के बाद when that entire channel just gets knocked off, I can't imagine what you went through. So mine is a little funny story, because as you know, I've been like building my Facebook, my YouTube, my Instagram. I'm not really that hot on Instagram because I find it too cumbersome, और उम्र भी हो गई यार, ऐसे दिखता भी नहीं है उसमें. So so it's something, and it's also I came in late to Instagram quite a bit. So I'm prolific on YouTube, I'm prolific on Facebook. All right. So the whole idea is to get brands to recognize you, and then they should be like kind of doing this whole exercise with you where they pay you for the whole interaction. So उस चक्कर में there have been a lot of emails that have like come over the years, where people are trying to scam you. So we know the obvious scams, right? There's an obvious like scam ऐसा. So I would like to point out to the one to which I almost fell. All right. So उसके पहले बहुत there were a lot of them, and they can you can always tell by the bad grammar and the bad construction and the bad language and everything that this is a scam. So we don't go for it. We don't even entertain. But this one, okay, came with all the bells and whistles. All right. So I'm going to take you to through what happened. So this, sorry, sorry. All right. So this is what happened here. All right. This was a mail which came to me said Facebook monetization by this advertising agency called the Ad Culture. ठीक है. अब उन्होंने बोला वी सीन योर
Okay.
पेज वी सीन द blah blah
हाँ.
blah we like what you're doing and we would like to do these specific sponsor ads on your page where you have control over what you're going to like what you're not going to like and we like to pay you weekly payments and stuff like that and we're associated with hajar companies and blah 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 and all the right names were there the grammar was correct and this had like a PDF format and it had like the right HTTPL thing so it looked like और लिखा है Facebook monetization and this is what I've been working towards right Band Boys and me we all been working desperately to try and get this whole thing moving as much as possible towards in-stream ads which requires 30,000 views 1 minute views over a period of 6 months तो मैं बोला चलो यार finally people have started noticing अब इसके बाद क्या हुआ इसके आगे के मेल में लिखा हुआ था कि sponsor ads or targeted ads and ये वही हजार कंपनी and we would like you to invite to a phone call or a WhatsApp call alright to take this further तो मैंने बोला आई सेड ओके वंडरफुल एंड आई सेड आई वुड लाइक टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस फर्दर प्लीज गिव मी अ कॉल राइट नाउ बिकॉज रात को 11 बजे भी देख रहा था या टुमारो एट सो एंड सो IST ठीक है तो भाई साहब ने मतलब मेरे को नेक्स्ट डे प्रॉम्प्टली ठीक है मेरे को एक इंटरनेशनल नंबर से एक व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज आता है हाय दिस इज जॉन फ्रॉस्ट रिप्रेजेंटिंग द एड कल्चर तो मैं बोला टेल मी जॉन आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी एज कर्ट एंड कूल एज पॉसिबल एंड वो बोलता है सेम स्पीली गेम हजार कंपनीज ब्ला 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 दा सब कुछ वही दिया उसने वही ग्रामर उठा के कट पेस्ट कर दिया फिर उसने बोला कि तो मैंने पूछा हाउ डू वी अप्लाई तो उसने बोला इसमें एक 2 फेज प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पे आप फेसबुक और आपके साथ एक संभावना होगी और मेरा और आपके साथ कुछ संभावना होगा ठीक है तो मैं बोला अरे यार दिस इज साउंडिंग लाइक इट्स गोइंग समवेयर द वेयर आई वांटेड टू गो ओके अब इसके बाद मैंने दूसरा उसको एक मतलब पूछ लिया कि अच्छा ठीक है तो ये उसने एक लिंक भेजा कि इस लिंक को आपको क्लिक करना है और इसमें यहाँ पे जाके आपको अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है जहाँ पे स्पॉन्सर्ड एड्स आपको दिखेंगे फिर आपको समझेगा कि मतलब कौन सा आपको देखना है कौन सा लेना है और 24 से 48 घंटे के अंदर ये अप्रूव हो जाएगा और आपको उसके पैसे मिल जाएंगे तो मैंने बोला ठीक है फिर मैंने उसको पूछा ये लिंक स्पॉन्सर्ड अकाउंट फेसबुक का है तो उसने बोला हाँ तो मैंने बोला फिर हाउ कम द URL इज नॉट फ्रॉम facebook.com ठीक है क्योंकि यहाँ पे एज यू कैन सी द URL इज fb.me ठीक है तो वहां पे मैं थोड़ा मैं बोला कि fb.me क्या है facebook.com होना चाहिए इतना तो मतलब मेरा है तो उसने बोला ये तो वो बोलता है नहीं ये URL फेसबुक का ही है business.facebook का है तो मैंने उसको पूछा जॉन वेयर इज योर ऑफिस ओके जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर इज योर ऑफिस तो उसके बाद उसने मतलब जो रिप्लाई दिया वो रिप्लाई करने के पहले मैंने यहाँ पे जाके पढ़ लिया उसी मेल में जहाँ पे लिखा है 388 मार्केट स्ट्रीट स्वीट 1300 सैन फ्रांसिस्को CA 94111 कनाडा तो मैंने जाके थोड़ा डिग इन किया कि ये CA 94111 है कहाँ भाई ठीक है बाय ऑब्वियस चॉइस आई वेंट एंड डग इनटू सम गूगल मैप्स एंड इट टर्न्स आउट दिस इज ए रेवन ऑफिस सेंटर व्हिच इज लाइक ये भाड़े का ऑफिस नहीं आता अपना टिपिकल जो कुर्ला बॉम्बे के बैंडर कुर्ला कॉम्प्लेक्स में जैसा होते हैं
Correct.
वैसा एक जगह है सैन फ्रांसिस्को में जहाँ पे आप दिस इज द एड्रेस एंड इट्स कॉल्ड रेवन ऑफिस सेंटर्स तो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज इन कैलिफोर्निया एंड कैलिफोर्निया इज ऑब्वियसली इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका ओके अब यहाँ पे ये कनाडा क्या कर रहा है तो तो 388 मार्केट स्ट्रीट स्वीट 1300 सैन फ्रांसिस्को कैलिफोर्निया 94111 कनाडा
Nice.
तो ये मतलब मैं थोड़ा मतलब
It's not Canada, it's Canada.
कनाडा तो
I think that would have been more believable.
yeah I mean so I couldn't just understand this entire thing so I was अभी मैं क्या करूं अभी क्या नहीं करूं ठीक है all those people are watching live right now I'm sure you're having a blast as I can see some people who are there on my comments and are like really
I can't see any of that, I guess.
yeah, go to your profile there are lots of people there Sigmund welcome Pradeep welcome Nitesh welcome Ralston welcome Sia welcome Gaurav welcome Sharia Ratai welcome Varun Panchal welcome everybody welcome
Wow, how fast you speak, man. Like that's like
thank
a
you my
rapper.
mom speaks much faster all right so this is what happened and all people on Instagram also welcome please do comment I think Vibha would be like the one who would be responding on Instagram as such for this so here's what happened okay so now I've got this phishing mail saying 388 Market Street Suite 1300 San Francisco California 94111 Canada ठीक है अब मैंने उसको पूछ लिया भाई साहब कनाडा कहाँ है मेरे को बताइए, ठीक है। तो मैंने उसको वहां पे रोक दिया।
Right.
रोकने के बाद मैं कुछ दिनों बाद आया, ठीक है। मेरे को समझा नहीं, तो उसने मेरे को कुछ मतलब मैंने उसको जो सवाल पूछा था उस सवाल का जवाब देने के लिए हम थोड़ा आगे जाएंगे, ठीक है।
ठीक
ये
है।
रहा। अब इसमें क्या हुआ है कि ये भाई साहब मतलब एकदम चौकन्ने हो गए, और मेरे को एक सेकेंड ना, लेट मी जस्ट सेट इट अप। पंचलाइन आ गया,
Yes.
पंचलाइन के पहले जो खत्म हो रही है, एक सेकंड रुक जा। अरे कहाँ गया, एक सेकंड।
It's called a scam within a scam.
हाँ, ऑलराइट। So I was at this page where I was asked. So for everybody who just joined in, okay, this is what quickly happened. I got a call from my Facebook thing, all right, where I was asked to kind of like join in, saying, "Would you like some sponsored ads?" I said, "Yeah," blah blah blah, and he connected me on Facebook. He said, "I have to click this particular link," and I said, "How come it's not Facebook.com? It's FB.me?" He said, "No, it is FB.me only," and that's where I tried to understand as to what is this particular guy trying to scam me out. And then I later on realized there is an address over here, and that address is where I kind of dig out where it says California 94111, and I figured out that California 111 obviously is in California, and California is in United States. But what is this Canada written next to this address is what I couldn't understand. So I asked the guy, okay, how come? Where is your office? And he said, we are based in San Francisco, California. So I said, USA is it? So he said, exactly. तो मैंने पूछा उसको, how come your mail is saying that it is in Canada? अब ये सवाल मैंने उसको पूछा है 3:50 को। उसके पौने घंटे के बाद मैंने 4:24 को उसको क्वेश्चन मार्क बोला, उसने जवाब ही नहीं दिया।
हाँ, he must be checking if his
तब
address
मेरे को
is
समझ
correct.
आ रही यार, तो उसको समझ में आ गया कि मतलब ये क्या हो रहा है उसके साथ, ठीक है। सो दिस इज हाउ पीपल ट्राई टू फूल यू विदाउट इवन बॉदरिंग, एंड आई कांट अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ इज इट दैट पीपल काइंड ऑफ think that we are so dumb, or maybe they were just, I mean, I really wonder at what level is this going. This is such a small thing, that address, he must have cut pasted this from wherever, and he decided like let's put all the right names, US भी डाल देते हैं, Canada भी डाल देते हैं, whoever catches, ठीक है। And I'm just thinking, if somebody who's as well versed with me with the online world, okay, and who almost got believed into this, and if I had clicked that link, okay, he would have gotten into my business page, and he would have been able to like activate a lot of things, put on all these spurious brand products, and probably never paid me, and I would have never had control over my thing. I would have to speak to my relationship manager on Facebook and go through the same thing which you went through. You know what I'm saying? The angst about मेरे पेज को क्या हो गया, मेरे मेहनत को क्या हो गया. Now the interesting part here is, okay, after this entire thing, okay, I went through this entire process a long time back also, where I had this beautiful opportunity to kind of take down some people, where they specifically asked me. This one came before to me, okay? This came from BuzzFeed. अब BuzzFeed से जब आता है तो हम लोग मतलब नोटिस करेंगे ना, भाई BuzzFeed से आ
Correct.
रहा है, BuzzFeed से आ रहा है, तो मैं उसको मतलब एक वन लाइनर में उसको सवाल पूछे जा रहा हूँ। यहाँ पे
Yes.
उसने ना मेरे को एक दे दिया, सर आप प्लीज ना ये ऐड करो, फिर ये करो, फिर ये एम्प्लॉय एक्सेस दो, फिर ये एडमिन एक्सेस दो, ये ऐसा सब दे दिया। मैंने मतलब इसको इमीडिएटली मेरे रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर को फॉरवर्ड किया, और मेरे साथ एक सुराज बोल के एक लड़का जो हु हैंडल्स माय पेज एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, तो उसने भी मतलब थोड़ा बोला, तो भी आई टुक सम टाइम टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दिस गाय, एंड दिस गाय वाज गेटिंग डेस्परेट। वहां पे मैंने उसको एक पूछ लिया, ओके, may I please see a verification of the authenticity of this, where this is coming from, okay, and I would like to see an employee badge. तो बोला, what do you mean
Correct.
employee badge? तो मैंने बोला, verification of the authenticity that this is coming from BuzzFeed and not
हाँ.
BuzzFeed. अब मैं तो दूसरा चीज बताता हूँ,
अरे बाप रे.
BuzzFeed is one word,
Correct, got
BUZZ
it.
feed, whereas this guy has buzz and feed. They're two separate fucking
And the
words.
D is also big.
तो ये
I don't want to say more. Yeah.
so it's not like, I mean, see, we're guessing, right? I mean, we're guessing. I don't know if I'm insulting some serious guy over there who's trying to give me some business, or is this some scam? I don't know, because he's sending me these correct things which are supposed to be done. Facebook is taking time to respond to me, okay, so I don't know better. जब मैंने उसको ये सवाल पूछा कि ये बज़फीड नहीं है, ये बज़फीड है, वहां पे वो वापस ठग हो गया। बाद में बोलता है कि मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी इनविटेशन भेज दिया, आप नहीं कर रहे हो, ये वो, मैं आई कैन रीसेंड द इनविटेशन, पाप करके मैंने पूछा, आई एम डन, आई एम आस्किंग फॉर एम्प्लॉय वेरिफिकेशन एंड यू नॉट विलिंग टू सेंड दिस, सो आई डोंट थिंक इट्स राइट। यही नहीं, इसके बाद वहां पे मेरे को मिशेलन फर्नांडिस फ्रॉम माय फेसबुक सेंड्स मी गाइडलाइंस टू प्रिवेंट फिशिंग अटैक्स। वो तो ठीक है, मतलब इनका जो करना है वो करते हैं। देखो, दिस इज अनदर एस, ओके, एजेंटा क्या, एजेंट एड्स। उसने पूछा, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन क्या डूइंग समथिंग एट योर फेसबुक पेज बिकॉज वी वुड लाइक टू डू एडवर्टाइजिंग, वुड यू लाइक टू ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला। मैंने बोला हाँ, या प्लीज ड्रॉप मनी इन माई अकाउंट। मैंने अकाउंट डाल दिया, उसने रिप्लाई नहीं किया। तो मेरे को समझ में आया कि ये कुछ चलने वाला है नहीं. Now the best part is, a month later, this same John Frost sends me the same email, this time with the corrected address, where it is CA
Wow.
94111, California.
I think he was I don't want to use the wrong word, but I think he was under the influence of some sort of D substance.
पता नहीं यार. There are these are these online farms, there are these Southeast Asia में बैठ के online farms है, who are like, just clickbaiting you. अगर एक ने भी कुछ कर दिया. Now tell us, how did you get out of this whole experience?
I just realized that while the angst could be similar, but I think the experience, like they are different experiences.
Of course.
Like I think you also love fun, so you arrive at such experiences, Sharon. Whereas I should say I never asked for that kind of fun, but it was learning, to be really honest and frank. Like I definitely realized that I should have monetized it. The fact that I went through all of it. But honestly speaking, I mean, there were people within friends of friends, and internally I had to figure out how to reach out to Facebook and somehow figure out some way of helping me more than the person who had, the party who had stopped me from it, because they were saying that you need to get to them because there is some technical glitch there. Right, like basically, in order for them to bridge that gap, they are not able to do that because Facebook is not able to, complete it, complete the entire chain. मैंने कहा ठीक है भाई. I mean, I think the biggest test through all of this is the wait. The wait and the uncertainty, because there is a very, very high possibility that nothing might come up by the end of it also. So daily you're thinking, है कि नहीं है? है तो क्या है, होगा तो क्या होगा, अच्छा ठीक है नया अकाउंट खोल लेती हूँ. But I'm like नहीं यार. So one thing I was very perseverant about was that I am not going to start another account no matter what. एक तो मेरे फॉलोअर्स भी इतने नहीं थे, कुछ 10 मतलब इतने बड़े कि मतलब मुझे लगे कि चलो डाल दूंगी तो फटाफट से लोग आ जाएंगे.
नहीं विभा, 11,000 fans on Instagram is 80,000 fans on Facebook. The math is directly that. It's like dog years. मतलब आप 80 साल के 15 साल
now na baba, then it was 6. No, like you work a lot harder in the beginning because well, you work a lot harder in the beginning, that's it. There is nothing more to it. So so I think the experience taught me something, that we should be more aware of what the guidelines are. We should be fighting चाहिए करने के लिए, और फिर ये कि नहीं कि चलो भाई ये नया वाला अकाउंट शुरू करते हैं. तो वो जो खड़ा रहना पड़ता है ना डट के, that I think is the hardest part. I think it's also somewhere a balance of luck as well. What if it didn't work in my favor? Then all of this conversation would have not happened,
Correct.
So I did work for it. So that way I did work, and I would say that you have to constantly, figure out your own path, because when I shared my story with people, their experiences were very different, very, very different. So with each person, the experience is very different, but you figure out your own path. Meanwhile, like you, Sharon is caring. You just help others through your storytelling. I would get messages. I got messages from 5 different people, 6 different people saying, "Hey, this happened to you." I said, "Yeah, man. Well, I have this flag, so."
On that note, let's take in some messages, because some people have joined in here. No worries. It's a completely candid show. सब अपना ही सब लोग है. Vanish, welcome. Rushabh, welcome. Kumar, Shrilesh, welcome. Rotarim, Girja Deshpande ji, welcome. She is my teacher. Do some more sessions like this so that others can benefit. Yes, Rubina, that is the idea. Therefore, sharing is caring. I personally am of the idea that knowledge should be openly shared, and my name is Sharing, so sharing is caring. Varun Panchal, welcome. Topist LEL. I didn't understand that, but I think he's meaning. Okay. What is LEL? What do you think is LEL? Laugh out loud? No, laugh. I don't know.
No, light emission diode.
That is LED. Anton Johnson again is my cousin. Welcome. Sharer आता है, कभी आता है, कभी जाता है, पता है. This guy is a brilliant talent. Gaurav, welcome. Sandhya, welcome. Sia Rahul Marchandani, welcome. Ralston Fernandez, welcome. Nitesh Pital, welcome. Pradeep Chandramani, welcome. Sigmund Jakeshwari is a great T-shirt idea. Sigmund Cordris is giving you a huge compliment here. Jakeshwari, I'm also going to borrow that. Viva, ये तुम्हारा dialogue है.
I said that.
Yes. Ashley DeMello, welcome. Get Viva to join you on Insta through a phone. She's doing this from Zoom call from a phone, so she's got and she's trying to do this. Vibha, go on Instagram, please. There are lots of people over there. Please go and say hi.
Can I come on Insta live as well? How to do that? Yeah.
No, so you'll have to go through
How do
that.
I go on
So
Instagram
what I
from my
suggest you
phone
do,
while I'm with you on Zoom?
what I suggest you do, okay, is go to Instagram on your Mac. Okay, go on your computer on Instagram and try
Went.
and you went.
Gone.
Okay, now go
Correct.
to my
Correct.
story and like there you will see yourself also, myself also, and there you can engage with like some lovely
But
people
there
who've
is
been
no
there.
story. I can see live
हाँ
only.
तो लाइव के नीचे तो कौन कमेंट करने को मिल रहा है वहां पे कर ले बस वो हो गया. Now I will
क्या
go.
लिखूं? Hey guys,
Now I will go to your page. Rajshri Saraf, I'm assuming this is somebody who's a relative
my
of yours.
sister.
Your
My
sister,
sister.
welcome. Does she also sing
Hi.
like you?
No, she dances not like me. They say she dances really nicely.
Okay, Abhishek Joshi, Ricky D'Souza, welcome, welcome. If there's any questions that you guys would like to ask about what I spoke right now, I doubt you guys have any, but this was just a fun. Fun orientation as to what I went through some time back. Now I would like to showcase something which Vibha Saraf has been pushing out into the world, which is some indie songs. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Vibha's profile, which is a verified profile, as she said. And this is the song which is releasing when? You want to talk about this?
Yeah, actually, this song released yesterday. It's called TCHE. It's a Kashmiri term. It's Kashmiri folk with some ambient, ambient music playing. And please, guys, you can check out the link on SoundCloud, and you can actually follow me on whichever medium you would like, Instagram, wherever, and I'll direct you to the link. It's there in the bio. And yes, Sharon, I think we can. Oh, sorry. Most importantly, I'll get hit on for this because, really, this song is in collaboration with Dub Sharma, a fantastic music producer.
So
And Dubs, this is my second song with him. The first one was called Rocher, which was a part of Made in Heaven. And this is the second song. So, guys, please listen to the song and tell me how you like it.
then there is this.
Thanks, Sharon. This is called Chandni, and this is releasing on Sunday. It's Chill Hop Space. Thanks to Rajiv V. Bhalla. He's a wonderful composer, producer. This idea is completely his. And I've also written the lyrics on this. So, guys, really, really looking forward to you guys listening to, including you, Sharon,
Of
because you're going to
course.
disappear after this.
No, I'm not going to disappear after this. In fact, I'm going to listen to your song. Let's hear it right now.
Guys, Sharon is a really good dancer. We had planned a lot of dance moves for a show that never happened.
This is the second song, Chandni. This is also, I love this space, huh? I love this ambient electronica space that you're diving into, and I'm sure this song is going to be stunning.
Yay! Rajiv, if you're watching, really, 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 really looking forward to.
Wah! Majja aa
Yes,
gaya.
and actually, there is one more song which I have not shared the creative of with you. This is the song called Khoi Hu Main, which is coming up with Joel Mukherjee. So that also, but the dates for it are not out. So मेरी खुद की प्रमोशन हो चुकी है अब हम आपके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं
मेरी प्रमोशन नहीं मैं ये प्रमोशन के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ आई एम प्योरली डूइंग दिस बिकॉज आई डू genuinely believe that there's too much kachara there and the right kachara needs to be like shown on top okay
absolutely absolutely
and
and
that's it that's the episode I mean I'm not really like trying to do anything super narrative or fun over here I'm just trying to point out to something which and I mean the content for this has like happened over a period of 2-3 months can you imagine this तो आज जाके मेरे को
wow
समझा अरे दिस कुड बी एन इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड बिकॉज ये मेल जो है ना जहाँ पे वो कैलिफोर्निया का रेक्टिफिकेशन वाला आया वो आज आया तो मैंने बोला वाह बेटे तूने आज मतलब करेक्ट कर लिया तो मैंने सब जोड़ लिया ये मतलब मेरे पास सब स्लाइड्स थे मैंने वो मेल वेले सब निकाले सबको मैं तो फोटो वोटो खींच के स्क्रीनशॉट लगा के तैयार हो गया मेरे को याद है अरे यू हैड गॉन थ्रू दिस एपिसोड वेयर लाइक यू हैड गॉन टू द अदर एंड जहाँ पे चैनल ही गायब हो गया तो मैंने बोला यार तुमको लेने मजा आएगा एंड आई मस्ट रियली
अरे
थैंक यू आई मस्ट
अरे
रियली
बहुत सारे सजेशंस बेस्ट होते सजेशंस एक्चुअली लोग सब आपको हेल्प करना चाहते हैं
हाँ
फिर किसी ने बोला यार मोर्चे निकालो वहां पे जाओ धरना मैंने कहा भाई दिस इज रियली नॉट समथिंग दैट आई एम गुड एट
ऑलराइट
I'm a soft person so whatever so but the good thing is that well faith restored and things kind of did work out eventually so I'm thankful for that I'm thankful for things working out in the larger picture.
Awesome, awesome. So, listen, I'm going to sign off, but before that, I would like to point out to everybody that Facebook really helped me kind of understand this in the right context. Why they do reply, and they replied after a little while, but I had almost figured out that this is a scam. But then they verified it, and they came back to me saying, like, please don't indulge in this, okay, and do send us these kind of links so we can also try and understand how to keep them in a blacklist as such. And that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. Vibha, I can't thank you enough for helping me join in this and teaching the world how I almost got scammed into a phishing scam with Facebook monetization clickbait. Ladies and gentlemen, to everybody who have joined in on Facebook, on Vibha's page, on my page, on Vibha's profile, on my profile, on Bandit Boys page, and on Harman Professional Solutions page, and also on my Instagram, I thank you from the bottom of my heart. And
And the gut.
and the gut. So, Vibha, if you just hang on, I'll just like sign off. Okay. I personally am of the opinion that knowledge should be shared. If you have had any value from this particular episode, I request you to please share this episode. Please share my page, help us grow. Please share my Instagram. Please share my Facebook. And my name is Sharon, and therefore sharing is Karen. I will see you
Thank
soon.
you, Sharon.
Thank you,
Thank you
darling.
for getting me on the show. Thank you.
Mwah!
Take care.
Bye bye. Thanks. Bye. To do an introduction. So hang on there for a second. Wait, let me start doing this also here. That's this, and that's this. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the second episode of Sharing is Caring. My name, for those who know and don't know, is Sharon Varghese. I'm a singer, musician, actor from Mumbai. I'm also one fourth of India's first and only boy band, A Band of Boys. This is a series where I share some of the best things that I've learned from the world, some recipes, some skills, some technique,